Music serves learning. Music serves knowledge. Music serves education. Grapie Academy.
Yo, it's Concord history grape.
Cleopatra, Egypt, how?
Let me state.
Queen of Nile,
Last pharaoh.
Cleopatra's tale.
Hello. Cleopatra born 69 BC. Egyptian queen by destiny.
Spoke 9 different languages.
Smart ruler of Egyptian villages.
Last pharaoh of Egypt she was.
Before Rome took over.
The pause.
Met Caesar and Mark Antony too.
Political life for view. Cleopatra, Egypt, queen so bright.
Ruled Egypt day and night.
Last pharaoh, smart and wise.
Cleopatra's great prize.
39 died.
Tragic end.
Cleopatra,
Legend friend. Married rulers to keep power.
Cleopatra, what a tower.
Had children with the Romans.
Navigated world of promises.
Egyptian and Greek heritage.
Smart political baggage.
Died at 39 years old.
Cleopatra's story told.
You can read about her life
Cleopatra,
without strife.
Cleopatra, Egypt, queen so bright.
Ruled Egypt day and night.
Last pharaoh, smart and wise.
Cleopatra's great prize.
39 died.
Tragic end.
Cleopatra,
Legend friend. Now you know Cleopatra.
last pharaoh,
Like a star,
smart queen of ancient Egypt.
Cleopatra's tale we gripped.
Concord out.
Yo, it's Concord history grape. Kin unified.
Why? Let me see.
First emperor of China's land.
Qin Shi Huang.
Took a stand. 2559 BC, Qin was born. Son of king, not forlorn. At 13 he became king. Ambitious, took everything. Conquered 6 warring states. United China at great rates. 2221 BC, first emperor.
Qin Shi Huang.
Conqueror.
Qin, China, unified great.
First emperor at his state.
6 states joined into one.
Qin Shi Huang's work done.
First emperor of all China.
Qin, the mighty desirer. Built great wall to keep out nomads. Standardized writing.
No more drams.
Same money, measures roads. Unified.
Shares the loads.
Harsh ruler, many died. Tyranny can't be denied. Terracotta army buried deep, guarding him in death's sleep. You know, Qin changed China forever. His actions
Truly clever. Qin, China, unified great.
first emperor at his state.
6 states joined into one.
Qin Shi Huang's work done.
First emperor of all China.
Qin, the mighty desirer.
Now you know, Qin's unified.
Emperor number 1.
Not shy.
Great wall army of clay.
Qin Shi Huang's the way.
Concord out. Yo, it's Concord history great. Alexander conquered.
How? Let me state.
Greek general, legendary.
Alexander, revolutionary.
356 BC, Alexander born, king of Macedon.
Not torn.
At 20 took his father's throne.
Ambitious, youngest known.
Greek army marched with him to win. Persia fell,
Let him in.
Egypt, Babylon, India too. Alexander's conquest crew.
Alexander Great, conquered vast empire, huge from first to last.
Persian, Egyptian, Indian lands.
Alexander's mighty hands
Conquered world by age 33.
Alexander's destiny.
Student of Aristotle wise,
Smart and strong,
no disguise.
never lost a battle won.
Alexander
Mighty son,
spread Greek culture far and wide.
Hellenistic age with pride.
Died at 32 from fever.
Alexander,
Legend believer.
you can study his great reach.
Alexander's lessons teach.
Alexander Great conquered vast empire, huge from first to last.
Persian, Egyptian, Indian lands.
Alexander's mighty hands
Conquered world by age 33.
Alexander's destiny.
Now you know Alexander's might.
Conquered lands with all his might.
Young king, so much done.
Alexander, the number one.
Concord out! Yo, it's Concord, history great.
Caesar ruled Rome.
Why? Let me state.
Julius Caesar,
Famous name.
Roman general of great fame.
100 BC, Caesar born. Roman noble, not forlorn. Great general, won many fights. Conquered Gaul with military might. Crossed the Rubicon with army. Started civil war.
No, call me.
Became dictator of Rome. Julius Caesar made Rome his home.
Caesar Rome ruled supreme.
Roman emperor like dream.
Conquered Gaul, made Rome great.
Julius Caesar's fate.
Veni, vidi, vici.
Famous cry.
Caesar's quote.
Oh my. Reform the calendar today we use.
Julian calendar.
No excuse. Month July named after him.
Caesar's legacy.
Not dim. Assassinated 44 BC.
Senator stabbed.
Tragedy.
Et tu, brute, he said, they say.
Caesar's last words that day. You can learn about Roman rule.
Caesar's history.
Cool.
Caesar Rome ruled supreme.
Roman emperor like dream.
Conquered Gaul, made Rome great.
Julius Caesar's fate.
Veni, vidi, vici.
Famous cry.
Caesar's quote.
Oh my. Now you know
Julius Caesar,
ruled Rome.
a real pleaser.
Calendar conquest.
Tragic and,
Caesar's legacy.
my friend.
Concord out. Yo, it's Concord, history great. Ashoka peace, why? Let me state. Indian emperor who changed from warrior, rearranged. Yeah, Ashoka born 304 BC, grandson of Chandragupta.
See,
Started as brutal conqueror, Kalinga war.
no clearer.
Saw the death from this war, over 100,000 or more. Changed his heart, felt the pain. Ashoka turned peaceful again.
Ashoka peace changed his heart from warrior to peaceful art.
Embraced Buddhism fully then.
Ashoka inspiring men.
Kalinga war made him turn.
Ashoka's peaceful yearn.
Spread Buddhism far and wide.
Sent missionaries,
No hide.
built hospitals and schools,
Cared for people,
broke the rules.
animals treated well too.
Ashoka's love came through.
Pillars with laws on stone.
Ashoka's edicts well known.
You can learn from Ashoka's change. Peace over war, the range.
Ashoka peace changed his heart from warrior to peaceful art.
Embraced Buddhism fully then.
Ashoka
Inspiring men. Kalinga war made him turn. Ashoka's peaceful yearn. Now you know.
Ashoka shift
From warrior,
to peaceful gift.
Indian emperor who changed
Ashoka,
Love rearranged.
Concord out. Yo, it's Concord history grape.
Genghis biggest, how? Let me state.
Mongol leader changed the world, empire's massive size unfurled. Genghis Khan born Temujin, Mongolian,
The son of sin,
united all Mongol tribes, 2006.
who gave him the vibes?
Conquered China, Central Asia, expanded across Eurasia, Europe too.
They all feared,
Genghis Khan,
warriors cheered. Genghis Khan, biggest ever,
land empire,
so clever.
China, Russia,
Middle East,
Mongol Empire,
great feast.
4 times larger than Rome's reach.
Genghis Khan,
What to teach?
strict military discipline,
Loyalty,
no more thin.
promoted based on skill.
Mongol armies of great will,
Trade routes protected wide,
Silk Road flow,
side by side.
left legacy.
Good and bad,
Genghis Khan,
complicated.
you can study Mongol rule,
Genghis Khan,
ancient school. Genghis Khan, biggest ever,
land empire,
so clever.
China, Russia,
Middle East,
Mongol Empire,
great feast.
4 times larger than Rome's reach.
Genghis Khan,
What to teach, now you know.
Genghis great, biggest land empire.
Fate,
Mongol conquest changed the world,
Genghis Khan,
unfurled.
Concord out.
Yo, it's Concord history grape. Elizabeth Queen, how? Let me state.
Powerful English queen, Elizabeth, strong scene.
Elizabeth Tudor in England born, 1533, not forlorn. Daughter of Henry VIII, Mother Anne Boleyn met her fate.
At 25 became queen, ruled for 45 years serene. Never married, powerful alone, virgin queen.
Stood her own. Elizabeth Queen, strong and wise, ruled England, no disguise.
45 years on the throne,
Elizabeth stood alone.
golden age of arts and trade,
Elizabeth's reign,
well made.
defeated Spanish Armada grand. English Navy took a stand. Shakespeare wrote during her time. Golden age, truly prime.
Colonies in North America,
Elizabeth's big era.
smart, educated, strong of will.
Elizabeth, historic pill.
You can read Elizabeth's tale.
Queen's strength without a fail. Elizabeth Queen, strong and wise, ruled England, no disguise.
45 years on the throne,
Elizabeth stood alone.
golden age of arts and trade,
Elizabeth's reign,
well made.
now you know Queen Elizabeth, England's powerful breath.
Tudor queen who ruled alone,
Elizabeth's strength well shown.
Concord out. Yo, is Concord history great? Lincoln freed slaves,
Why?
let me state. American president great, changed the country's fate. Abraham Lincoln born 1809, Kentucky log cabin was fine. Self-taught from books he read, lawyer, then to office led. Became president 1861, Civil War just begun. North and South at war over slavery, Lincoln led with bravery.
Lincoln slaves, emancipation.
Freed them with proclamation,
Civil War fought for unity.
Lincoln's big community.
610th president, brave.
Freed the slaves and saved. 1863 Emancipation, freed slaves.
Whole new nation
Gettysburg Address famous,
of the people.
no complaint, us. Union won, country stayed. Lincoln's vision was obeyed, shot by assassin. Tragic end, just days after war men.
honor Lincoln today.
Freedom's vision paved the way.
Lincoln slaves, emancipation,
Freed them with proclamation.
Civil War fought for unity.
Lincoln's big community.
610th President brave,
Freed the slaves and saved. Now you know Lincoln's gift.
emancipation's mighty lift.
Civil War for unity.
Lincoln, humanity.
Concord out. Yo, it's Concord history grape.
Gandhi, no weapons.
How? Let me state.
Peaceful protest changed the land. Gandhi's nonviolent stand.
Mahatma Gandhi, born 1869, Indian lawyer,
Did fine,
led India's independence fight from British rule.
they're right.
Salt March walked 240 miles,
Protest without violent styles.
fasting to stop the fighting.
Gandhi's peaceful writing.
Gandhi, peace, no violence.
Powerful silence.
Salt March fasting changed the land.
Gandhi's peaceful hand.
Indian independence won.
Gandhi's peaceful action done.
Inspired world leaders to come.
MLK and more.
Hand drum. Peaceful protest, the way to fight.
Gandhi's wisdom.
Truly bright. Dressed in simple cloth he wove.
Walk barefoot through every grove.
Shot by assassin 1948.
Gandhi's legacy so great.
You can use peaceful ways.
Gandhi's method shining blaze. Gandhi, peace, no violence.
Powerful silence.
Salt March fasting changed the land.
Gandhi's peaceful hand.
Indian independence won.
Gandhi's peaceful action done.
Now you know.
Gandhi's way,
Peaceful protest.
save the day.
Indian freedom.
Without war,
Gandhi's way.
forevermore.
Concord out.
Yo, it's Concord history grape. Mandela ended. How? Let me state. South African hero fought. Ended apartheid's fraud. Nelson Mandela, born 1918, South Africa was the scene. Apartheid separated race, unfair laws, huge disgrace. Mandela fought for equal rights, peaceful but sometimes fight. Imprisoned for 27 years, never lost his hopes and tears.
Mandela fights apartheid end.
Civil rights,
He's a friend.
27 years in jail. Mandela's will did not fail. First black president
Elected,
Mandela,
finally respected.
released from prison 1990, negotiated for new seniority. Apartheid ended, vote for all. South Africa answered the call. First black president
Elected,
Mandela
was respected.
truth and reconciliation
Healed the nation.
You know Mandela's power true. Civil rights for me and you.
Mandela fights apartheid end.
Civil rights.
He's a friend.
27 years in jail. Mandela's will did not fail. First black president
Elected,
Mandela.
finally respected.
Now you know Mandela's fight ended apartheid.
Made it right.
27 years of jail. Mandela's
Triumph prevailed.
Concord out.